I, on behalf of the ratepayers and citizens of Bang, welcome you all.
I know a lot can be said about football and everything, but today, when we have started the Courts IDC, I'd like to thank the sponsors for coming on board and sponsoring the Courts IDC for so many years now. It's about 17 years.
I'm honored to be here at Govind Park today to officially open the 2015 Courts Inter-District Championship. At the outset, I would like to welcome the officials at the election held at this year's AGM, namely Mr. Rajesh Patel as the President and 3 Vice President, Mr. Tarnesh Reddy, Yageshwar Singh and Mr. Edwin Chan. Congratulations. Can we put our hands together and congratulate these 3 gentlemen? The 2015 Courts IDC has grown from the initial idea of the district competition that began in 1938. This makes the IDC among the longest running national level football competition in the world as we enter the 77th edition of this tournament. Courts, as a commercial promoter, has historic links as one of the first sponsors of the IDC, as the current company has links to Ben Phillips Company that donated the match balls for the first tournament 77 years ago. Development of football in the country is of interest to all of us, dear friends. In recent times, we have seen Fiji football recording their name in the FIFA history books. We need to applaud the teams, coaches and Fiji FA for their achievements. I believe that we must give credit where it is due. Our under-20 made a historic mark in the FIFA Under-20 World Cup. The result shows promise and provides us with a platform to make sure that these appearances are regular on lead to even better and competitive outings. Fiji will be cheering the boys in the Under-23 Olympian side in the Rio Olympics. Our fans have shown that they will appreciate competitive outings against the best in the world, even if the results do not go our way. Fiji Football Association is rightfully proud of its association with Courts Fiji Limited for the past 16 years as the sponsors of the Fiji's oldest and the most important football tournament in the country. Congratulations to Fiji FA and Courts for this partnership. To all the players, tactics, fitness, stroke, ability, experience, and sportsmanship are all necessary for winning. At the end, a team wins and one has to lose, but let football be the winner. To all the participating teams, match officials, district and national officials, I wish you all a safe and enjoyable tournament. To all our fans from far and wide, and many from overseas, a warm welcome from me personally to my hometown of Ba. A special welcome to all our children and women fans, and I hope you have a wonderful IDC as well. As chief guest, I have an obligation to be impartial in wishing all the teams the best, but it is an open secret where my heart is and whom I'll be cheering for. Let's just say home is where the heart is. Ladies and gentlemen, children, now it gives me great pleasure in declaring the 2015 Courts IDC open. Thank you and Vinaka.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, President Mr. Patel with the Minister and Mr. Hamid Prasad will light the torch. The flame, IDC flame is lit. Put your hands together. The flame will now remain burning. It will remain lit from today till Sunday evening when the final finishes.